The year 2020 went unexpectedly for the economy and the cultural scene, and new ideas for the future are in demand. The streets emptied and bank accounts emptied. No more events, concerts, wedding celebrations, or cinema screenings. Small businesses and freelancers don't have much to do and wonder how they can earn money during the next lockdown. Their clients sit at home, don't have much to do, and think about what is important in their lives. They remember their younger selves when films were projected on the screen in analog. Some of them tidy up their flats, and they discover old photos and, old small format films. As a photographer, a freelancer, film editor, and small business owner, you probably have a good camera or smartphone and a good PC or Mac with film editing software. With a little investment, you can buy high-quality film transfer equipment from Film Digital and integrate your own smartphone or camera. You can help people digitize their old Super 8 films, 16mm or regular 8mm films in good quality. Take a look at www.film-digital.com.